Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best induction cooktops, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best induction cooktop options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which induction cooktops is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1, GE Profile PHP9036 Best Overall Induction Cooktop. The 36-inch GE Profile PHP9036 has the best features of any mid-pressed induction cooktop we've considered. Its control panel is one of the easiest to use that we've tried. It has an intuitive timer and 19 power settings, the most of any comparable model, that you can adjust in multiple ways, including swiping a finger on a wheel or tapping an up/down button. And this model also has a bridge between two medium elements so that you can use a griddle more easily and keep warm and melt modes. Its 11-inch, 3,700 watt large element is standard for cooktops in this price range and powerful enough to bring water to a boil fast or to preheat a pan quickly. The Profile PHP9036 is Wi-Fi enabled, designed to work with an app that features the best approach we've seen to setting a precise temperature or automatically cooking along with a recipe. This cooktop also allows you to turn off or adjust most of its display sounds and lights. Many competitors don't allow this, as well as to sync it with a G Profile range hood over Bluetooth. Number 2, Bosch 800 series NIT 8000 660 UC. Best induction cooktop. The 36-inch Bosch 800 series NIT 8000 660 point UC has a 12-inch 5,400 watt large element, the most powerful among our recommendations, which will let you heat the biggest pots and pans more quickly and consistently. It offers 17 power settings, 5 precise temperature settings, the ability to sync with a Bosch range hood via Bluetooth or a button on the cooktop, and Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring with a mobile app. Unlike the GE Profile PHP9036, however, the NIT 866 UC doesn't let you set a precise temperature or automatically cook along with a recipe. Number 3, Samsung NZ36K7000, 880 US. Best value induction cooktop. The 36-inch Samsung NZ36K7000, 880 US. AA has an 11-inch, 4,800 watt large element, one of the most powerful among our recommendations. It offers 15 heat settings, simmer and melt modes, and a large continuous cooking zone that accommodates multiple pans or griddles. The cooktop's Wi-Fi connectivity allows for remote monitoring with a mobile app, and it can auto-sync with a Samsung range hood on Bluetooth. It's one of the few induction cooktops available that visually indicate the heat level, something that many people find helpful, as it displays a digital blue flame around some of its elements. You can turn off or adjust the intensity of its sounds and some of its lights. Though this cooktop is a solid option, we have run across complaints about Samsung's service and reliability while researching for other appliance guides. Number 4, Miele KM 7740 FR. Best splurge induction cooktop. The 36-inch Miele KM 7740 FR has an ample 11-inch 3,700 watt large element and a useful and adjustable keep warm mode. It has 9 power levels that you can expand up to 17, but accessing the additional power settings is confusing. Programming the timer or any other functions is also not intuitive. The KM7740 FR can sync with a Miele range hood via Bluetooth, and its Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor the cooktop remotely. This model sits just above a countertop in a handsome steel frame. Experts tell us that Miele has a reputation for producing kitchen appliances that last for decades. The company also has a long track record with induction technology. Number 5, Samsung NZ30A360 UK. Best budget induction cooktop. The 30-inch Samsung NZ30 A3060 UKAA offers far better functionality than any other under $1,500 0 cents cooktop we've found, including 15 power settings, a simmer mode, and and Wi-Fi for monitoring the cooktop remotely. Its 11-inch, 3,800-watt large element is on a par with those found on many of the pricier cooktops we recommend, so you'd be able to heat large pots or get an even sear using a large skillet. But its interface isn't as user-friendly as those of more expensive models, and it doesn't have nearly the range of features. Number 6, Duxtop 9600 LS. Best portable induction cooktop. If you're induction curious but reluctant to rip out your gas or electric stove just yet, a portable induction cooktop is the perfect way to dabble without making a big investment. This single-burner portable cooktop features 20 power levels, a keep warm feature, an automatic timer, and an automatic shut-off feature. It performs just like a built-in stove, but with a much smaller and more affordable footprint. As a bonus, you can take it with you on weekend getaways to a friend's house or use it as an additional cooking surface next time you're hosting a dinner party and running out of burners. Number 7, Breville Induction Cooktop. Best splurge portable induction cooktop. Not only can you control the temperature in 1-degree increments, you can also adjust the intensity with the Breville Control Freak. We like the user-friendly LCD panel, which is easy to see and intuitive to use. When we tested portable induction cooktops, the Breville turned out pleasantly al dente pasta, though we did find it ran a little hot. Cookware was often 20 degrees hotter than the set temperature, and the center of the pan or pot would be noticeably hotter than the edges. Despite the learning curve that comes with making the most of this ultra-adjustable cooktop, we think it's a worthy splurge if you need a pro-level portable induction cooktop.